Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the OMORC air fryer. And I know if I didn't say the name right, somebody will post it in the comments, so we'll figure that out later. Right now, let's open this bad boy up. Huge box here. I believe this is the 1600 watt version. So, let me get it turned upside down here first. Get it out. So we can see. Alright, let's see what version this is. Don't remember which version it is, but oh, this is the 1800 watt version. 1800 watt version. Alright, so let's pull them out of here. Alright, you get the user manual, and then there's also a recipe guide, so you guys can learn how to use your air fryer. All kind of recipes is for you. Alright, now let's get this plastic bag off so you can see it here. It's a pretty big bag they got on here. Alright, let's see it. Bag out of here. Alright. And the basket's taped on here, so let me get the tape off. Okay. And this size is actually larger than I thought it was, because when I was ordering it, it did not look this big. So it's larger than I thought it was. You can see the name on the top here. Alright, let's take the basket out so we can see exactly what you get. They got this stuffed in here. Oh my goodness. Right, so this thing has a lock on it, and you have to push it forward and press down to open. So little bit of information to help you guys. And here's the basket. This is the design of this basket here. And it's pretty large. It's larger than I thought it would be. So I could probably put a whole chicken in here. It is pretty large. So you can see this has a little dial on it here. Nothing's on in the LED. Let me get the plug here. You can't see any of that. Let me see. I'm not going to be cooking anything. This is just going to be an unboxing, so let's see if we can get this on here. Oh, come on, is this plug useless? What's going on here? There we go. Basket has to be in it, or it won't even activate. And the temperature comes up here. I guess you the temperature, it goes all the way up to 400 degrees. You got the timer, you got your mode here. You can change it to, you know, French fries, chicken, steak, shrimp, and all different varieties of stuff you can choose. But yeah, it has, you know, you got your mode for all your different presets. You got the temperature, you got the timer, and you got the the little wheel here that also moves it around. Once you select what you want, the wheel moves it around to whatever you want, so whatever mode you're in. Okay, and that's pretty much it for this air fryer. It's pretty large. I did not know it was gonna be that big. It looked smaller when I was ordering it, so I did not think it was that big. But it's 120 volts. It's 1800 watts, and the basket capacity is 5.5 liters. So it's pretty big. So you can put a whole chicken in here. It's a pretty great size, and I didn't actually check, you know, what you could put in here when I bought it, but now I'm thinking this is a very good size air fryer. So if you guys are looking for one, you can cook a whole chicken in, maybe a turkey breast. I'd have to do some more in-depth research to see how big of a product you can put in here, but this is a pretty nice size one. So if you guys want a larger one, this is pretty nice. So I'd get the bigger one instead of getting the smaller ones, so you guys can, you know, have more variety of items to cook in it. So thank you for watching the video. Hope it was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.